Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Pixel 6a and opening Settings. This is where the theme controls live. Once done, go to Display right away and glance at Wallpaper and Style. This groups color, wallpaper, and icon options. Make sure you already have the wallpaper you want. Having it ready speeds the process. You'll also need access to any icon pack you plan to use. Now that prerequisites are handled, tap Wallpaper and Style to begin changing the visible theme elements. You'll now choose the visual core. Pick a wallpaper first because Android's Material You extracts colors from it. Once you select the wallpaper, tap Wallpaper Colors and pick a palette. This sets system accents, quick settings, and supported apps. If you want custom icons, tap Change Icons or apply a third-party icon pack. Make sure the pack is installed. Changing icon shape, too, helps unify the look. When you apply these, the system previews changes, so you can confirm before finalizing. Finish by tapping Apply so wallpaper, palette, and icons take effect across the Pixel 6a. If some apps don't reflect the new palette immediately, make sure you force the launcher to refresh, either restart the launcher or reboot the phone. If problems persist, go to Settings Apps, update the affected app, or clear the launcher's cache. This forces the system to reapply theme assets. One key troubleshooting tip: an outdated app can ignore Material You colors, so keep apps updated to ensure consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.